DJI Mic Mini, and this one is for the serious creator who needs professional features and rock-solid reliability. This system comes from a brand known for its exceptional engineering, and that reputation is on full display here. Let's just start with two numbers that are hard to ignore: 48 hours and 400 meters. That's the total battery life you get with the charging case and the maximum line-of-sight wireless range. Think about that. You could film for days without seeing a wall outlet, and your sound will stay locked in from incredible distances. But the real story here is about control. You get a 5-level gain dial right on the receiver, which lets you adjust your audio levels on the fly. It also features a 2-level noise cancellation system for tackling everything from indoor hums to noisy outdoor crowds. And to protect your recordings, there's an auto-limiting feature that prevents your audio from distorting if there's a sudden loud noise. It's like a safety net for your sound. The audio quality itself is pristine, capturing at a 48 kHz sampling rate and handling up to 120 decibel SPL. A standout feature is its dual-channel recording. This means you can record each mic to a separate audio track, giving you complete flexibility in your edit. And the transmitters are practically weightless at just 10 grams, with a clever magnetic mounting system. It's an incredibly robust package for creators who demand professional control, extreme reliability, and the flexibility to fix things in post. It removes nearly every technical worry, which is why it sits so high on our list.